Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for everybody tuning in. This is Paul Wooten, WR Customs. This is another casting roundup. Today we're going to go through, there's going to be 4 videos in a row. They're going to be about the Chevy Nomad, the Tri-50s. We're starting off with the 1954 Corvette Nomad. It was a concept car. You look on the front, it has the Corvette front end and what would come to be the 1955 Chevy wagon rear end, which became the Nomad 2-door wagon. I don't have all the releases, and I do not know what series these were released in. Some were in the Thunder Wagon, some were in Super Chevys. There was multiple series that these appeared in, and I don't know. I don't have the packaging through the way. So here's the first one. It is a nice red. If you look on the rear rider tires, it says 10th anniversary, so this one probably came later on down the road. But this is the, like I said, the 1954 Corvette Nomad. It was a concept car. Next one is white. This one has plastic wheels. The old Nomad back end. That's the white one. Here's one with like a Camaro package on it. Ooh, rolling off. There's a little nick there on a window, but you get the picture. Next one is this aqua and white. It's got rear rider Goodyears, which turned out pretty good. It's got a couple flea bites on it. I picked these up over the years. Here's a red one. Rear rider Goodyear tires. Once again, it's got a little flea bite right there. I think I probably bought all these loose when I got them. Got a little flame there, gold, red flame, plastic wheels also. And the last one of the bunch, got the blue with the flames. Pretty sweet piece. And that is the 1954 Corvette Nomad concept car. That's all the variations I have. Thanks for tuning in. The 55 Nomad will be coming up next. Thanks for watching.